How to download Minecraft for free on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can download Minecraft for free on Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you open up your Google Play Store in your mobile device, tap on the search icon at the menu bar at the bottom, and in the search bar, search for Minecraft. There you can see you have to pay a certain amount to install the application. So downloading Minecraft for free on your device legally is not possible through official channels like Google Play Store. Minecraft is a paid application developed by Microsoft and Mojang, so you cannot install it for free. But you could try to install the Minecraft for free. So this is the free trial. You can install it, and this application have certain limitations, which is about 90 minutes per world, and it only have the survival mode, and there is no saves after the time ends. So you could try to install the Minecraft trial for free. Tap in the search bar at the top right, and in the search bar search for Minecraft trial, and you could install it in your device and play with some limitations. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.